Welcome to my channel, Benny the Kitten.
Once upon a sunny day, in the heart of a lush green jungle, there lived a friendly tiger named Tilly and a playful lion named Leo. They were the best of friends and spent their days exploring the vibrant forest together. One bright morning, Tilly and Leo decided to organize a grand celebration to share their happiness with all the animals in the jungle. They invited everyone, from the chatty parrots to the graceful deer, and even the wise old elephant. As the day approached, the jungle buzzed with excitement. Tilly and Leo worked tirelessly, decorating the forest with colorful flowers and arranging games for their friends. When the day of the celebration arrived, the jungle came alive with laughter and joy. There were races and contests, music and dancing, and a banquet of delicious fruits and treats for all. The highlight of the day was a storytelling session where Tilly and Leo shared tales of their adventures, making everyone giggle and cheer. The happiness spread like wildfire, and soon even the shyest animals were dancing and playing together. The tiger and lion beamed with pride seeing their friends having such a wonderful time. As the sun began to set, the animals gathered around Tilly and Leo, thanking them for the happiest day they had ever experienced. The tiger and lion smiled warmly, feeling grateful for the love and joy they shared with their jungle family. With hearts full of happiness, they knew that moments like these were what made life truly special.